Rishi Shastri, Director Academics, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhadi Campus. Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhadi Campus has started a Helping Hand Club, the initiative to serve the society in the crisis of COVID-19. As you all are aware, the world is grappling with possibly the worst public health crisis seen in more than a decade. The COVID-19 has gripped nations, compelling governments to impose lockdown to contain the spread of the deadly coronavirus. The management of Chandigarh Group of Colleges Jhanjhadi Campus launched a mission, "No one should have to sleep hungry," in the villages surrounding the campus in a radius of 10 to 15 kilometers. As a part of mission, Chandigarh Group of Colleges Jhanjhadi Campus with the help of local administration and police have distributed 6,000 packs of food, hand sanitizers and hand washing soaps to the people in the neighborhoods. As a good gesture, 7,500 kgs of cow feed was donated to the cow shelter which looks after the accidental and the infected animals in Toda Majra village. Chandigarh Group of Colleges Jhanjhadi Campus are serving nutritious cooked meals 2 times in a day for approximately 400 to 450 persons in the surrounding villages for the needy and poor. Further, to maintain the hygiene and awareness among the people, posters are being displayed and hand sanitizers of 10,000 liters, that means 100 ml per person, are being distributed. Further, more than 2,000 cloth masks that are washable are also being distributed, which are stitched in the campus by the staff of Chandigarh Group of Colleges Jhanjhadi Campus. The work of stitching is in progress and the target to complete 10,000 masks. To keep the hygiene of the location, CGC Jhanjhadi Campus organized sanitization in the villages surrounding the campus. Sanitizer tunnel is also being set up at the main gate of the campus for the sanitization of the staff and the visitors, if any. As an initiative, emergency medical center of 100 bed capacity, fully equipped with oxygen cylinders, IV stand, are being set up in the campus for the corona infected patients. The capacity can be extended to 500 beds if required. Isolation wards are also being set up for male and females at 2 beds per ward in case of emergency. Regular briefings and trainings and safety guidelines on COVID-19 are being given to the campus staff by the qualified doctors and the paramedical staff. Chandigarh Group of Colleges Jhanjhadi Campus is in constant touch with the local administration for any help required from the campus. The staff of Chandigarh Group of Colleges Jhanjhadi Campus contributed 1 day's salary and a similar contribution of the total amount by management to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund and Prime Minister Care Fund to fight against COVID-19. Dear friends, let's all pray the Lord to intervene and stop the spread of the deadly coronavirus. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy.